set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
The toughest outdoor cleaning projects require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SPX4000-PRO. Class-leading 2,150 PSI for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2,150 PSI of power. Choose the SHP2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.
You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Joe SPX4000 electric pressure washer. Featuring exclusive pressure select technology, packed with 1,800 watts of pure cleaning power. The 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Remove mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. 5 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. And the onboard 54.1 fluid ounce detergent tank lets you dial in just the right amount of detergent to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Joe's exclusive Pressure Select technology. The SPX4000 lets you select the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low, 1,450 PSI for everyday dirt, grease, and grime. And high, 2,030 PSI to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Other exclusive features include the built-in Total Stop power-saving system, designed to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And when the work is all done, simply wind it up and stash it away with the convenient onboard hose holder for faster cleanup and neater storage. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe, the SPX4000 electric pressure washer from Joe. Get equipped.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The unique modular design can be used from a wall mount, cart, or standalone, so you can carry it anywhere. Blast clean dirty surfaces with up to 2,050 PSI. That's 40 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2,050 PSI power. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. You should choose this because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Ba-da-ba.